Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you people are doing good and enjoying your e-learning. So, online classes, I believe, and at the same time, you're learning also. So, today in corporate accounting 2, I'm solving the next problem. So, problem number 4. So, which has been asked in the year December 2009, and the same question has been asked again in the year like April 2007. See, the same question has been repeatedly asked twice in the University of Mysore examination. So that is December 2009 and April 2007 question paper. Today we are going to solve. Okay, so the problem is, the books of Bajaj Insurance Company Limited contained the following particulars in respect of fire insurance as on 31st March 2008. So here they are completely focusing on fire insurance. That means you have only fire. There is no any other insurance like marine insurance or accident insurance as such. So the first item, provisions for unexpired risk 1/4/2007. 1/4/2007 means opening balance. So 1/4/2007, 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. And additional reserve on 1/4/2007 rupees 80,000. Then we have outstanding claims 1/4/2007 4,000. Then we have outstanding claims on 31st/3/2008 10,000. See, wherever 1 is there, wherever 1 4 is there, so that is going to be opening balance, and wherever 31st is there, that is going to be a closing balance. So after that, he said claims paid 1,60,000, then reinsurance premium paid 40,000, reinsurance recoveries 10,000, premiums 4 lakh, interest and dividends 30,000, income tax on above 2,000, legal expenses regarding claims 3,200, commission on reinsurance added 2,000, commission on direct business 24,000, commission on reinsurance accepted 1,000, management expenses rupees 90,000. In addition to usual reserve, additional reserve is to be increased by 5% of net premium. Prepare fire insurance reserve account for the year ended 31st March 2008. So this is the problem. So here we have to focus only on the fire insurance aspect, the problem on fire insurance. Okay. First, copy the problem to your notebook so that you can understand, since the printing quality of the question is not so good, because I have taken the snap directly from the question paper. So that is why it is not clear. Somewhere in between there is a blurriness is there. So I have dictated, I have read the entire question. So by looking into video, copy the question first, then start solving the solution for this. Okay. So now we are done with the question part. So now we are moving further towards a solution part. So let us begin the solution without any further delay. So dear students, let us draft the table for the problem. So you all know, right, the table, how many columns and all. By this time I believe you must know about it. So I'm drafting the table for the solution part. Okay, that is 1 rupees column, and a second rupees column. Then I have a schedule column. Then it is going to be a particular column. Okay, so this is what the table you have to prepare. So the heading for this, revenue account for Bajaj Fire Insurance Company. So it is a revenue account for Bajaj Fire Insurance Company as on, for what date he has said us to prepare, that is 31st March 2008. correct? 31st 03 2008. So if you did get confusion with the date, mention as on that date, that is not a problem. So next, write down particulars, then we have schedule number, then we have rupees. Okay, particulars, rupees, particular schedule number, rupees. So first item we always take, what is that? Income. So income. So for this, premium earned, that is always comes under schedule number 1, premium earned. So under that, let us start premium. So how much premium amount has been given in the problem? Check out premiums. So that is in between the problem we have premiums, rupees 4 lakh. So how much we do have? 4 lakh. Premiums 4 lakh. So next, less reinsurance premium paid. So any reinsurance premium paid, if the amount has been given, check out. So reinsurance premium paid, yes, exactly above the premiums, the second item. So that is above the premium we have a reinsurance recoveries, on the top of it we have a reinsurance premium paid, correct? So that should be deducted. So deduct less reinsurance premium paid. How much? 40,000, correct? So 40,000. So deduct that. So how much you got? 3,60,000. 3,60,000. Next, add provisions for unexpired risk. We always add which one? Closing or opening? Add provision for unexpired risk. Unexpired risk. We always add opening and we always deduct closing. Remember that. So that is how much? Provisions for unexpired risk. So in the beginning, the first item only, that is 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. So now add this. So how much you have got? 5,10,000. So that is 5,10,000. Next, add additional reserves. Add additional reserves. So additional reserves, how much? How much he has given in the problem? Check out. Additional reserves 80,000 opening. So 80,000 rupees opening. So add it and put it to outer column. Add it and put it to outer column. So that is 5,90,000. 5,90,000. Less unexpired risk. Less unexpired risk. So how much unexpired risk? So we always write this closing. Okay, so this is what we consider it as a closing. So since in the problem, in addition to usual reserve, additional reserve is to be increased by 5% of net premium is said. So increase by 5% of net premium, that is additional reserve. So in case of fire insurance company, what is the unexpired risk closing? We always calculate, that is 50% of net premium. 50% of net premium. So what is the net premium amount we have? 3,60,000. So 3,60,000 into 50 divided by 100. So that comes to divided 3,60,000 into 50 divided by 100. That comes to 1,80,000. How much? 1,80,000. Okay. Then additional reserve, that is also less. Okay. So that is additional reserves. Additional reserves. See, all the problems will go in the same way. There will be no changes in it. Okay. So additional reserve, how much opening he has given? 80,000. Correct. So I am copying that 80,000 plus in the adjustment he said at the last, in addition to usual reserve, additional reserve is to be increased by 5% of net premium. So how much net premium I said? 3,60,000. So that is into 5 divided by 100. So how much for 3,60,000 5%? That comes to 18,000. Correct. So 18,000 to be added. So 80,000 plus 18,000, 98,000. 98,000. So now add these two. So that is 1,80,000 plus 98,000, 2,78,000. That is 2,78,000. Deduct that. 5,90,000 minus 2,78,000. 5,90,000 minus 2,78,000. So that comes to 3,12,000. 3,12,000. 3,12,000. So any other incomes we have to add. Check out any other incomes are there in the problem. If yes, add it. Otherwise, make it as a nil. Other incomes. So how much other incomes? Do we have any interest, dividend? It is there, right? Interest and dividends. How much? 30,000 rupees is there. So write down other incomes. Under that, interest and dividend. How much? 30,000 rupees. So add that 30,000. So I am going to get net premium 3,42,000. So this is going to be total A, not net premium, total A, that is income. So I am closing so that we don't get confusion further. Total income, that is A. Total income 3,42,000, total A. So I am done with the first mean. So that is the income part, premium earned part. So now I am moving towards second mean, that is expenditures. Expenditures. Under that, first expenditure we always have what? Claims. So claims is going to be schedule number 2. Claims will come under schedule number 2. So first one, right? Claims paid. Claims paid. How much claims paid? 1,60,000. 1,60,000 rupees. Correct. Then less reinsurance recoveries. Do you have any reinsurance recoveries? Check out reinsurance recoveries. How much? 10,000 rupees. So it is a minus figure. So that is 10,000. Then add legal expenses. If you have any legal expenses spent, if you have any, that should be added. It is there, right? Legal expenses regarding claims. So how much? 3,200. 3,200. Next, add outstanding claims closing and less outstanding claims opening. So add outstanding claims. So that is opening. So the date with 1/4, that is how much? Opening claims he has given, that is How much? Add outstanding claims. Closing should be added. So closing should be added. Closing balance, that is 10,000. Then less outstanding claims opening. Opening should be deducted. So that is 4,000. Since it has to be deducted, I am mentioning it in bracket. So now add, deduct, and put the difference amount to the outer column. So that is 1,60,000 minus 10,000 plus 3,200 plus 10,000 minus 4,000. That comes to 1,59,200. How much? 1,59,200. So this is total schedule number 2. Okay. So next schedule number 3. Which one? Commission. Commission. Schedule number 3. Schedule number 3. So under that, commission on reinsurance accepted. First item, commission on reinsurance accepted. How much? Commission on reinsurance accepted 1,000 rupees. Next, add commission on direct business. Add commission on direct business. How much? Commission on direct business. Any commission we have to enter here only, but you have to be very careful what to add, what to deduct. So commission on direct business is 24,000 he has given in the problem. Okay, next, less commission on reinsurance ceded. Less commission on reinsurance ceded. Reinsurance ceded. So that is minus 2,000. Minus 2,000. I believe that's all for commission. So I went through. You also go through once with the question. So 25 minus 2 is 23,000. 23,000. So this is the total of schedule number 3. Total of schedule number 3. Okay. So next, further moving to the schedule number 4. So what do you have? Schedule number 4, operating expenses. Operating expenses, schedule number 4. See, I am highlighting. Commission is schedule number 3. Operating expenses is schedule number 4. Claims, schedule number 2. Premium earned is schedule number 1. Okay. So operating expenses, what all operating expenses we do have? Management expenses. Management expenses, that we have salary. Correct. How much salary? Management expenses 90,000 rupees. So that management expenses directly is given 90,000 rupees. So 90,000 rupees I am taking directly. Apart from that, there are no any expenditure, I believe. So this is going to be a total of schedule number 4. Okay. So now total B I am finding. Total B. So how will I get? 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. Do it. How much you will get? Fine. So that is 1,52,900 plus 23,000 plus 90,000. Put together 2,72,200. Correct. Total B is 2,72,200. 2,72,200. So now A minus B, that is income minus expenditure. So whatever you will get, that is considered as a profit or loss. So in this, profit, because income is greater. Profit A minus B. So that is 3,42,000 minus 2,72,200. How much? 2,72,200. 3,42,000. 3,42,000 minus 3,72,200. So the difference is 69,800 is the profit. 69,800 is the profit. Okay. So we are done with this problem. So I believe you have understood well and you have no any confusion. If you have any confusion, you can reach me out through WhatsApp or over a call, or you can text message also, and practice the problems so again and again, so that you will get to know that what to add, what not to add, which items to be considered, which should not be considered and all. So for that, dedicated practice is required for this subject. So be more conscious while learning. So that's all. So I'll come back very soon with the next video. Till then, take care. See you soon. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, and take care of your family members. Bye. See you. Bye bye.